Welcome back, viewers, to an enlightening episode that uncovers the fascinating link between intermittent fasting and sustainable agriculture. Today, we'll delve into the intricate web of connections that tie fasting practices to the broader realm of sustainable food systems. Join us on this journey of exploration as we shed light on how intermittent fasting can play a role in promoting a healthier planet through conscious eating habits. Sustainability and the food system. Sustainable agriculture aims to maintain or enhance food production while conserving natural resources and minimizing environmental impact. It's a vital concept for the future of our planet, as our food choices directly impact the health of ecosystems and communities. Let's start by understanding the components of a sustainable food system. Intermittent fasting in the bigger picture. Intermittent fasting, characterized by alternating periods of eating and fasting, has gained attention for its potential health benefits. But can fasting also contribute to sustainability? The answer lies in its potential to reshape our relationship with food, leading to more mindful consumption patterns, reducing food waste. One way intermittent fasting intersects with sustainability is through reducing food waste. Fasting can encourage portion control, helping individuals prepare and consume only what they need. By minimizing overeating, we contribute to less food waste, which, in turn, reduces the strain on agricultural resources and landfills, supporting local and seasonal produce. Intermittent fasting can inspire us to connect with our local food systems. Embracing fasting encourages us to focus on whole, unprocessed foods that are in season and readily available. By supporting local farmers and choosing seasonal produce, we reduce the carbon footprint associated with food transportation and storage. Promoting diversity in diets. Sustainable agriculture emphasizes the importance of diverse crops to ensure food security and resilience against changing environmental conditions. Intermittent fasting can encourage us to explore a wider variety of foods, including traditional and underutilized ingredients. This, in turn, supports biodiversity in our food systems, raising awareness and conscious choices. Through our fasting practices, we have the opportunity to raise awareness about sustainable agriculture. Sharing our journey and insights can inspire others to make conscious choices about their food consumption. By fostering conversations about the environmental impact of our diets, we contribute to a more informed and responsible society. Balancing the discussion. While intermittent fasting can align with sustainable agriculture principles, it's important to maintain a balanced perspective. Fasting should be approached with consideration for individual health needs, and it's crucial to ensure adequate nutrition during eating periods, creating a healthier planet. In conclusion, the ties between intermittent fasting and sustainable agriculture are thought-provoking and promising. Our fasting practices can ripple outward, influencing not only our personal well-being, but also contributing to a healthier planet. As we continue to explore this connection, let's remember that every mindful choice we make in our diet can impact the world around us. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Stay tuned for more captivating content centered around intermittent fasting and its broader impacts. Until next time, let's continue to fast mindfully, eat consciously, and be stewards of a sustainable future.